Morning everyone. So today I'm at Chiang Mai railway station. I'm just about to get on the train to Bangkok. That right there is my train. It is 641 baht per person, which is around $20 per person. And it's going to be the longest train I've ever been on. It's I think it's like 11 hours, 11 and a half hours. So a really long one. I am actually getting the day train, not the popular sleeper one at night. But I think the day train should probably be more scenic because we can see everything during the day. So I'm just about to hop on there now and we should be leaving in about 20 minutes. So we got our 7-Eleven snacks as usual. And Carol, we have the best view. This is going to be the view for the whole train ride. Time lapse. So I've got to mention also this is second class, so yeah, we'll see how it goes. So I thought I'd stop to give you a quick tour of the bathroom. The train just stopped at one of the platforms. You can see here, Pank Muang. And this toilet is like this, hole in the floor. So that's the first time I've seen in Thailand, like a hole in the floor like this. No public bathroom so far has been like that. So yeah, I guess the trains are like that here. Maybe it's just 'cause it's second class, I don't know. We've been served lunch now. See, we got red curry chicken, fried mackerels with soybean sauce, and cooked Thai jasmine rice underwater. Is there even a lot of pieces in there of chicken?
No.
It's like 2 pieces. Here's the fish. Carol, how long have we been on the journey so far?
7 hours, I think.
7 hours. So we're more than halfway. What have you thought of it so far?
It's nice.
Pretty comfortable, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. The chairs are pretty good. Food, I like the snacks. Not the main meal, but they give us snacks and drinks and stuff. So yeah, you get quite a lot for $20, I think. And now the nature's like really beautiful because it's all green now. In the north before it was kind of like yellow and dry, but now it's really good. It's actually gone pretty quick. It doesn't feel like I've been here like 10 hours. And I think now we're just in time for sunset. So I didn't think about that before. I didn't realize we were going to be getting a sunset from the train. So yeah, that's going to be cool. we've arrived in Bangkok now, finally, and we're just ordering a Grab taxi now so that we can get to our Airbnb. I think it's going to be about 200 baht, that's around like $6, and I think it's about 50 minutes away, so yeah, it ain't so close, so pretty good price I think. At our Airbnb now, so this one was only I think like $10, so really cheap. It's just a private room, but yeah, really nice, like modern apartment, and I'm just pretty wiped out now. It's kind of weird because you like sat down all day but still really tiring for some reason, and I can see why it's so popular. The train ride, basically the entire time was just like beautiful nature. We even got to see some like cool temples and stuff. I don't think I filmed it, but yeah, there was loads of temples on the way as well, so yeah, it was just a pretty cool experience. And I didn't mention before, but this will be the last vlog from Thailand because tomorrow I'm going to Bali for a wedding, so yeah, the next videos are probably gonna be around Indonesia. And yeah, I've just had a really good month here in Thailand. It's been really awesome. Just like I said before, like just all the nature and everything is just really beautiful. And here had the temples, which I'd never really seen before, so that was probably the best part for me, being able to go to all those like amazing historic Buddhist temples. Like it's been so many, so yeah, it's just been a really good trip, and I definitely come back because there's so much more things that I'd like to do here. Just even though a month's a long time, you still can't really do everything in a month, so yeah, one day probably will come back. So as always, just drop a like on the video to support me, subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.